We now arrive at the surface treatment stage for cylinder head gaskets, a pivotal finishing process that directly determines the product's service performance and durability. In this working area, we conduct a series of refined treatments, including surface painting, anti-oil, line printing, and the application of rubber and fluorine coatings. These professional treatments greatly boost the gasket's oil resistance, heat resistance, and sealing capability. They also protect the components from wear and corrosion, allowing our cylinder head gaskets to operate stably under the harsh and complex working conditions inside engines for a long time. Right here, we are carrying out surface painting on the exhaust manifold gasket. With standardized spraying techniques, we ensure an even coating across every part of the product. Apart from improving the appearance, this step delivers reliable surface protection and enhances the overall adaptability of the gaskets in diverse operating environments. Lastly, we come to the professional baking room. This dedicated area is specially designed for curing the paint and coatings on cylinder head gaskets. Constant temperature treatment ensures the paint adheres firmly to the surface and achieves ideal hardness and toughness.